Today is an upper body day. I did something a little bit different. I took some pre-workout. So let's see if that helps out, and I'll talk about it after the workout. Let's get it in.
My warm-up was pretty good and I'm ready to get it in. I haven't worked out for about a week as far as upper body is concerned, so we'll see if I'm able to hit that 405. It's cold in this garage, y'all. It's garage, so it's cold. My heater can only do so much since I'm not insulated. So let's check it out. Let's see if I can hit this, and I'll be talking to you throughout the workout. Let's get it in. Yeah, I was able to hit that. It wasn't even hard, guys. I did feel a tiny bit of struggle, but my strength did not really go down. I actually think that I'm stronger than I was since I took that week off. So we'll see later on this week if I can go past 405. That's been my max for a while, and I haven't even tried anything above that. So we'll check it out in one of the upcoming videos. All right, let me get back to work. I just finished my bench press workout. I did a lot of sets, guys. I told you all I had a goal to hit 500, so I'm putting in that extra time to get to that goal. So we'll see what happens in a month or so. see if I can get up higher. I know that I'm only maxing out at 405, but guess what? I haven't tried to go higher, and I know that I've gotten stronger. So I'm actually leveling up as I continue to push myself. So I'm on my 3-minute break, and I needed you guys. I needed, my arms are burning. All right, let me take this break, and I'll be back with you. On a 60-second break, I'm going to lighter weights so I can try to finish this hour 10-minute workout and try to get as much in as possible. So it's going to be less rest in between each set, and if there's any rest at all. All right, let's finish up. Halfway through this workout, 30 minutes left, so let's see how much we can get in, and I'll be back with you guys after the workout. I actually feel really good. I'm getting my energy back like quicker. Yo, I think it's definitely because of that pre-workout. It's keeping me on my toes. I'm actually pushing it a little bit harder. And over there on that incline, I couldn't get any more. You all, my shoulders feel like lead. So let me take my little 3-minute break, and I'm moving on to dips. Yeah, guys, I got about 9 minutes left in this hour 10-minute workout, and it's going pretty good. I'm getting in a lot of work, different parts of the body, and I'm taking my 60-second break just to let you know what I'm doing. Okay, let's try to get in one more exercise. We'll see what it's going to be in a second.
guys, I'm back after the workout. That was a good workout, and guess what? I still have all of my energy. Well, I don't feel tired. I'm definitely going to contribute that to the pre-workout supplement that I took. So I really feel good. I feel like I can go on longer. I feel like I can push myself even harder now. So I know that I'm going to be really leveling up by adding this to my supplement supply. And I'm not really taking that much. I'm just taking some protein, and I'm doing some creatine, and I just added this this pre-workout. Okay, this pre-workout. I'm not a traditional or professional bodybuilder, so I really don't know about all of these things. But as I learn, I'm gonna share what I've learned with you and let you know what's working with me. So overall, it was a great workout. This is my second day in my workout shoes, and they actually really helped me to get my feet to the floor because I am I'm about 5'10", and my bench is a little bit higher, so my feet are not always planted properly on the floor. So these shoes give me a little extra lift, which helps me to get the leverage that I need to get the weights moving on the bench press. So overall, they're a really good fit, and I got a size 11, and this is like one of the best fitting shoes that I've felt. And you don't need like a $200 pair of shoes. I got these for about $89, and I'll just show you the Amazon image in a second. So other than that, I have no complaints. I just got a little fatigued. I did struggle a little bit over on the incline. I haven't done that in a while, and what I'm going to do is make sure that the bench is set up properly. So it was a bunch of junk behind the bench, and it forced me to lift it forward, so it made me lose a lot of strength. But once I moved it, I was able to get it up, but I did lose on my last set. So overall, I got a lot in this hour and 10 minutes. I actually was trying something new with the shoulders. I put on more weight, and I actually liked it. And you know what? Low-key, I'm actually glad that the time ran out because my shoulders were a little tired. So if you like this channel, I want you to come on this journey with me. I'm inviting you to come on this journey with me, okay? I want you here with me in John's Garage as we level up together. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram, click that notification icon, share this channel with your friends. Remember, this channel is not just for men, it's not for weightlifters, it's not just for weightlifters, it's for everyone who wants to do a fitness routine. So I'm going to be doing more than what you've been seeing, and I'm going to add that into my routine. So until next time, guys, stay leveled up, and I'll see you again in John's Garage. Keep your mind right, and let's keep it moving. See you next time.